Alright guys, today we're gonna do a taste test of this organic Camu powder. I got this online, it was on sale, daily, check that out. Yeah, it's organic and from Brazil. You can use it in smoothies. There's the nutrient panel. And yeah, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so that's what it looks like. We're gonna do a quick check here. There we go. It's got a nice sour tart sort of taste to it. Definitely check it out. It definitely will go good with a smoothie. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please go subscribe to the channel. It's not like the acai powder that I did previously. The acai powder had no taste. This actually does have a taste.